Hot Weekend.
Fly FM, how's it going, Malaysia? Today's hottest music is your girl Dan for What's Hot Sundays, joining me to talk about taxes. Tax for business owners is PR Officer Muhammad Syazwan bin Malik from Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri Malaysia. So, Encik Syazwan, can you tell us what is taxable income for business owners?
Business owners, taxable income, they must understand taxable income is gain profit from doing business. Those income will be taxable. So for example, if you do night market, acting, singing, you do Insta famous, if you do Insta famous, let's say you do paid review, Grab rider or driver, all of those income that you earn, that will be taxable income. When we talk about business, there are two types of business in Malaysia. One is sole proprietorship or self-employed, and another one is partnership. Because we are talking about business owners, not sendirian berhad kind of business lah. I would like to remind that if you are doing online business, you can also be taxed once your business meets the criteria.
Up next, we talk about the minimum income for a business to register for income tax number. Meantime, here's Billie Eilish, Fly FM. Yo, what's up, Fly FM? Today's hottest music is your girl Dan for What's Hot Sundays. Joining me to talk about tax for business owners is PR Officer Muhammad Syazwan bin Malik from Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri Malaysia. So, is there a minimum amount of income for a business to register for an income tax number, Encik Syazwan?
To register for an income tax number, there is no minimum income for any business. So anyone can register for income tax number. Once you do business, you can straight away register your tax number. Business income, it differs from employment income. You are doing your own work. You manage your own taxation. You manage everything yourself. Once you are doing business, my suggestion is to straight away register for your tax number lah. For individual, usually your threshold of income that will be taxed for a single person is 37,333 ringgit per year annually.
Okay.
Then you can be taxed. If you are married, then it will be different lah. If you are married, you have separate assessment, you have joint assessment. Refer all of this in our website. According to Section 4 Income Tax Act 1967, income of a business is eligible for income tax after taking into account all allowable expenses in the business and tax relief eligible to be claimed by the trader. Okay, calculate tax for your business. First, you must calculate your total sales, and then you can deduct all allowable expenses, and the net of that is what will be taxed. We will not tax on your sales, we will tax on your profit.
Tax on your profit. Okay, faham. Thank you so much, Encik Syazwan, for that. Up next, we will be talking about the business tax rates. But first, Blackpink, Pretty Savage, Fly FM. Hey, apa khabar Malaysia? Fly FM, today's hottest music. It's Dan. Thanks for tuning in to What's Hot Sundays. I have a very interesting topic about tax for business owners. Joining me is PR Officer Muhammad Syazwan bin Malik from Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri Malaysia. So, what is the business's tax rate for individuals and companies? Is it sama or not sama?
For business, tax rate for individuals and company are different. Okay, we are discussing about business run by individuals. So, their tax rate will be from 0% to 30%. This is for year of assessment 2020 lah. For business people, they will do it now until 31st of July. Okay. For business run by companies, the income tax is between 17 to 24%. That is depending on their paid up capital. So that's the difference lah, because business run by individual from 0 to 30%. Business run by company 17 to 24%. From here, you can see that if business run by individuals, they may not be taxed, even if there is profit. Business can refer to our tax rate schedule from our website. You can see the difference.
Coming in 5, Syazwan tells us what you should do to declare your business. Stay for that. Here's Pink Sweats Kalani, Fly FM. Hey, how's it going, Fly FM? Today's hottest music, it's Dan for What's Hot Sundays. And joining me to talk about tax for business owners is PR Officer Muhammad Syazwan bin Malik from Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri Malaysia. Now, for those who want to declare their business income to the IRBM for the first time, what should they do?
For new taxpayers, you need to register your income tax number first. So to register your income tax number, you can do it online using our web MyTax, and you can choose e-daftar.
Okay.
And then after you got your income tax number, you'll need to get a PIN number to create an e-filing ID to access e-filing system to declare your income. Okay, to get the PIN number, you can apply either at branch or online. If you're using online form, you can choose customer feedback form, choose application, and then e-filing PIN application. There will be some forms that you need to fill and some documents that you need to submit. You can submit online, and then you will get your PIN number, and then you can create your e-filing ID, and then you can log in and access your B form, EB form. For those who are doing business, you must choose EB form.
EB form.
So, yes, EB form. Besides declaring your income tax for business, you can also claim all allowable relief for individuals. For those who are in salary group, individuals who are doing business also can claim the allowable relief. So if you want to know what are the allowable relief, you can get the full list from our official portal at www.hasil.gov.my.
So make sure you report your income and keep records of all expenses. Up next, we are talking about the misunderstandings about income tax with Syazwan bin Malik from Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri Malaysia. Stay with us. It's Uptown Funk, Fly FM. Hey, how's it going, Malaysia? Thanks for streaming us at flyfm.com.my. Fly FM, today's hottest music. Dan here for What's Hot Sundays. And I'm not alone today. I've got Muhammad Syazwan bin Malik from Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri Malaysia talking about tax for business owners. Declaring income to the IRBM is mandatory regardless of whether the business is profit or loss. But there are still some misunderstanding about the obligation to pay income tax. Can you share some misunderstandings about income tax?
Okay, sure then. Okay, whether the business is profitable or loss, you must declare your business income to IRBM using Form B. Some misunderstanding that I've come across is that if your business suffer loss, then no need to submit your tax return form. So, in fact, I think it will be more loss to them, because once you submit your B form with loss, then the loss can be carried forward to the next year. You may deduct profit from next year using this year. For online business, some people say, if no SSM, no need to declare for income tax.
Okay.
Whether you do business at home, usually for those who are Instagram, like Insta famous, their office is there, it's at home. So they did not register with company's commission. Their perception is they don't need to declare income tax. In reality, they still need to declare their income tax. Whatever you do, whatever business that you are doing, then you must declare your income tax. Zakat and tax are two different things. For Muslim, zakat is compulsory. Tax is a legal mandatory for all earner all those who are in Malaysia, then they need to pay tax. Okay, but if you pay zakat, once you submit your form, then you can deduct the zakat payment from your income tax form.
Okay. Alright. Now I faham. Because I always thought it's some. So, last but not least, Encik Syazwan, any advice to our Fly FM listeners about taxes?
Beware of scammers. We've heard a lot of scam cases of late that uses IRB's name. When you get a call that you got standing with IRB, please double check with us.
Okay, that's good.
And then another one, you can file your EB up until 31st July 2021 this year. Usually it will be 30th June.
Yeah.
But due to MCO 3.0, our management has given more flexibility to taxpayers to give more time.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay.
Regarding tax matters during this MCO 3.0 period, so listeners can go to our official portal at www.hasil.gov.my and go to click links on the right. Then we have our FAQ there.
Okay.
Lastly, I would say thank you for your time listening about taxes on a Sunday. Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you so much for tuning us. Thank you, Muhammad Syazwan bin Malik from Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri Malaysia. Okay, everybody listen up. Make sure you do your taxes by 31st of July 2021 and register your income tax number before e-filing. For more info, head over to www.hasil.gov.my. Here's your favorite Fly FM.